If you haven't started multi-streaming, you have to start it now. And it is the best way to promote your channel by streaming to multiple platforms at the same time. And trust me, it is very easy to actually set it up, which I'm going to show you how to set up multi-stream in OBS by using Aitum Multistreams, and it is free for now. By doing so, you're able to stream to TikTok, YouTube, Shorts, Kick, Twitch, or any other streaming platform all at the same time, as long as your PC able to handle the multi-streams. Before diving into the setup, there is a most asked question. Do we actually need a high-end PC in order to capable for multi-streaming? Well, for this, it depends on your current system. So what I can suggest is your CPU to actually have at least 8 cores and for your GPU to at least have 8 GB of memory. But if you do not have that system requirement, do not worry. You're still able to multi-stream by using vertical layout. And you can actually set the resolution into 720p. By doing so, your PC actually won't actually stress much compared to one horizontal streams and one vertical layout stream with 1080p and 720p. So if you're wondering on actually how to set up vertical layout in OBS by using Aitum Vertical, you might want to check out my recent video, give it a try, test it out, and happy streaming. So without further ado, let's dive into the first step. So the first step is to look for the Aitum websites and go under their products on the top left, and you're able to see Multistream. Click on it and download the Multistream for free for now. So once you've done download, open up the file and install it into your OBS. Before you actually installing the Aitum Multistream, remember to update your OBS to the latest version or close your OBS after you have installed, only you open back your OBS. So once you have done install the Aitum Multistreams, open up OBS and you'll be able to see something like this, Aitum Multistreams. But if you do not see it, do not worry. Just go up to the docs and you're able to see Aitum Multistream. So once you just click it, it's gone, and you want to just open it back, it will be here. And the best part is you're able to move the Aitum Multistream docs whenever you want in your OBS. So once you have done install the Aitum Multistreams, the first thing you have to set is actually your video resolution inside the OBS. So just go to the file, go on the settings and look for the video resolutions. So for me, I'm actually streaming on 1080p for the base and output because I'm actually multi-streaming to YouTube and TikTok at the same time. For YouTube, I stream at one horizontal and one vertical, and in TikTok, just vertical layout. And after that, once you have done the resolution, go to the streams. I did not actually connect my account with YouTube. I use a StreamScape instead. So once you have done set up the video resolutions and also your stream account, the next up is your encoder. So go to the file settings and go under output, look for the streaming and set up here. Once you have done set up the encoder settings here, the next up is to go under Aitum Multistream settings, and the best part comes up. You need to actually add the output for your main canvas. You're able to see that I got a built-in stream for my YouTube. If I would like to stream to other platform, it's very easy to do so. Just go to the add output on your top right and look for the streaming platform that you're gonna add. For example, Twitch, just click on the Twitch and rename it. After that, put your Twitch server and paste your stream key that provided from the platform. So once you have done, just click create output. The next up is your encoder settings for the horizontal streams. As you can see that I'm using my video encoder for the main encoder. You're still able to change it to H.264 if you're using NVIDIA graphic cards. But the problem is if you're not using main encoder when you're doing the horizontal streams, your PC will have to encode two different streams to two different platforms. So which means your PC have to stress even more for the multi-streams. So the best is just go for main encoder that we have already set it in OBS. This way that your PC will only have to encode once and stream it to two different platforms. This is actually where it came really handy. So once you have done your main canvas encoder setting, the next up is your audio encoder, which is actually really straightforward. Just go for the FFmpeg AAC, and the bitrate I set it to 192. Audio track I just go for track 1. So once you have done set up your horizontal main canvas audio and the video encoder, the next up is your vertical layout. So just go to the vertical canvas and you're able to see I have TikToks and YouTube Shorts for my vertical streams. So under the YouTube Shorts, you're able to see that I already have my video encoder setting in YouTube for the vertical layout. So once you have done all this, FPS 60 to 60, and I'm actually streaming with 720p, it is actually really enough because most of the live stream viewer for the vertical, they're gonna watch it from mobile. So 720p with 60 frame, it just works really good. And the bitrate, I just set it for 5000. This is where Aitum Multistream comes in really handy, and you're able to set the streaming bitrate differently from your main horizontal stream. So once you have done all the settings here, my next up for the vertical streams on my TikTok, I just go for vertical encoder because we already set it up here. So by choosing the vertical encoder, which means that your PC will just have to handle one vertical encode and stream it to two different platforms. The audio encoder setting, the same. And for example, you have done all the setup, you want to stream another vertical, same thing, just go to add output, look for the streaming service that you would like to stream to, paste the server and the stream key, rename it, and you are good to go. And up to now, if you found the video is actually helpful, remember to like the video, it actually helps the channel to grow. So once you have done your main canvas and your vertical canvas encoder settings and all the streams output settings, just click OK, and you're able to see on your left Aitum Multistream, you're able to see all the output, the logos, and all the streams that you have been setting up. So there are actually few ways to actually able to start the stream. The first way, it just clicks on this mini box with the green icon here. So once you have done click, it will show the box of fill with green, which means your stream has been started. And for the vertical, which come in really good, that is with just one click, you're able to start all the vertical stream. And you're able to see the vertical laid out for the Aitum on my right side. On the bottom, you're able to see, you click on this, and you're able to see TikTok, YouTube Short, and there's a start all. So when you click start all, it will actually start all your vertical stream. And if you do not want that function, same thing, just go to the mini box, click it accordingly, so that once the box is filled with green, that means your stream has been active. But for the Aitum Multistream, there's one thing that I would like to let you know. So if let's say that you have connect your mainstream account in OBS, remember to always start your mainstream first, then only you start your another stream horizontally or even vertically. Because if you do not start your mainstream first, it's gonna show an error. So all you need to do, just start the main one, then only the other one. So that is how you set up Aitum Multistream in OBS with this useful plugin. It's actually really easy. All you need is just one setup. So whenever you want to go stream in the future, just click on the mini green icon or even start streaming in OBS, and actually you're good to go. So install it, give it a try, and start your multi-streaming journey like right now. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also right now, I'm streaming on YouTube at 8:30 PM. My time zone is GMT +8. By the way, if you guys have any questions, you can drop by to my stream, ask me during my streams, or even comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Wait, by the way, if you're wondering how to stream to TikTok without needing a stream key and how to set up the Aitum vertical, you can check out my recent video and give it a try. And actually, it is really easy to set it up. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and peace!